Hazrat Zohri states that Hazrat Anas bin Malik told me that he heard Hazrat Umar's second sermon when he ascended the pulpit, and it was 2 days after the Prophet's demise. He testified Allah's oneness and the Prophet's being Allah's bondsman and apostle, whereas Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu was quiet and was not saying anything. He radiallahu anhu said, I hoped that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would remain alive for ages and pass away after us. Now, as Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has passed away, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has put before you a light through which you acquire guidance and on which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu caused Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to tread. Undoubtedly, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu is the companion of Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and second out of the two. So he deserves more to manage the affairs of the Muslims. So get up and swear allegiance to him. A group had already sworn allegiance in Saqifa Banu Saida, but a general pledge of allegiance took place on the pulpit. Zohri states that Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu heard Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu saying to Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, come on the pulpit. He continued saying it until he ascended the pulpit, and then all the people swore allegiance. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7219.